It's another lady of the house kind of day, and today we are going to be repainting this room that is my daughter's room. Welcome back, ladies. This bedroom was originally my son's bedroom, and it is now my daughter's. Actually, it was originally my bedroom. And I've had two bedrooms here at this house when I was much younger, but yeah, this was originally my room, and I had this room a blurple color. It was the first color I painted this room. So beneath all the layers of what is, it used to be like a bluish purple color. But anyway, today I wanted to share with you that we're just going to be repainting this room. Over on Patreon, I had shared, I don't even know when it was, but it was a few months ago, where I shared myself painting this room. It was originally like a grayish color, the color that we painted the house when we did the renovation of this home. And then when my son moved out of this room, I wanted to make it very, just happy, like a very happy, bright room for my daughter. The peach color that I chose for this room, which I can't even remember, and it was not on the paint can itself, so I don't know the name of it, but the peach color that it is, it just, I don't know, I feel like it's a little too heavy for this room, especially for how dark she likes to keep it with the curtains and everything. So I wanted to brighten it up a bit. She loves pinks and blush tones and purples and just all of that. And the bedding that I purchased for, redoing her space recently, I think it will go so much better with this. It's such a subtle pink. It's very light. It just really stood out to me, and I thought that it would be perfect for her. It's more of a dusty pink, I would say. So I think that it will be perfect for the bedding that I got for her, which is by Shabby Chic. I don't think, it may be simply Shabby Chic, but it says Shabby Chic on it. And so my husband also redid some of the holes. He patched them and retextured the walls. So I know right over here it's definitely going to need a lot of extra paint. But it's just a good time to repaint because I'm trying to get everyone's room just done beautifully, and I love doing that. So while the kids are away at school today, this is what I am going to do. And hopefully I will get pretty far on it. I'm sure, I'm having a late start here, but I'm just going to work away at doing this today. I would like to kind of get things, situated the way that I would like them in here. But I also have a desk that I am going to be painting because the desk that I had originally had in my office, I've now given to my daughter. She likes to sew. She likes to make cotton candy. She's very crafty. So a bigger desk is perfect for her. So I wanted to repaint that, and I'm thinking I might either go with the white blush, which is the color I started painting the laundry room, and either that or I might just go with a really bright white. I don't know. We will have to see, but I wanted to do either like a cream for her desk or something along those lines. So anyway, first things first, I wanted to paint this. So I did do a patch right here, just so you can see that the color, it's almost like you barely can see the difference, but I can really see the difference. It lightens it up. It's very creamy, and it is just lovely. And I know that it will be perfect for her room. And I was just thinking, every time I entered this room, that it was just a little too heavy. And while the blinds are open and everything, it may not look that way, but for her bedding and everything like that, like there's really no peach in it, and this will just be better. And I think it will be more versatile for anything that I might add in between. So anyway, I'm going to get started painting, and then hopefully by the end I will be able to show you just a few things that I might end up putting out, but then you can come back tomorrow where I will have just all the decorations, why I did what I did. I will talk through all of that, and then later this week I would love to share with you just a little bit of homemaking, and I'm sure that her bedroom will be included in that. So there is a lot of dust on the ground, a lot of debris, and I'm not even going to worry about cleaning that just yet until after I'm done painting, and you know, do more of that when I have finished the baseboards. And just, there's so much to do, including repainting her door. There are just some nicks and just some, it really needs a refresh. Even when I painted the room, I didn't complete the job. I didn't even complete her closet, and just part of me wasn't too happy with it. So with this, before I end up doing anything else when it comes to really decorating, I want to do the finishing touches, which are the baseboards and the door, and making sure that the closet is completely painted. As you can see, I did not finish painting. I turned down the exposure on the camera so you can see the actual color that it's coming out like, and you can see that on the right it's a little bit more dusty, and then the left, that's that peachy tone, which of course it's a pretty color, but I just feel that the one on the right, I'm so much happier with this one on the right. And it's funny because on camera it looks dark, it almost looks gray, but in person it doesn't look like that at all. So color is just so funny. The way that it comes out on camera, the way that it comes out when you have light shining in a space, it varies from room to room, in different kinds of light, all of it. So I just think that this was the best decision in this space, and I'm really happy that I found this color, and I think that it goes beautifully. I'm going to bring in her bedding just so I can show you the difference. So there's a little pillowcase hanging up there, and really, yes, it could have gone in the peachy room as well, and it could have looked beautiful, but I am just happier with this other color in here, and I think that she will love it so much more. But like I said, I mean, color is funny, and I think that it could have gone with both of them, but since I am going to be doing more of those muted tones, I am just going to keep focusing on this color that I already started painting it. I think that by the time it's all done, it will just look amazing. I finished painting everything in here, including the closet, everything above. So then I just tried to use what was left to just go over some of the areas again. And now what I need to do is paint the baseboards. But what I think I'm going to do before I start that is paint this piece right here. So I am going to go just with bright white, I'm thinking would be best. And then after that is done, then I will start on the baseboards. For now, I am done painting this desk, and I think that it turned out really nicely. I want to paint the hardware. I'm going to paint that gold, but for now I'm just going to leave it as is, and I am going to start on the baseboards. So we have a big mess to clean up now. Everything that was in her closet is on her bed. The stuff that was on the desk is on her bed as well. So I'm going to take some time and just kind of put things back, and then I will start to paint all of the baseboards and the door and those kind of things. That way I can just finish things up, and then I will put the curtains up and, you know, just start putting things back the way that they go. But I really love this color. I think that it goes really well with this chair that she had in here as well. So today I'm going to get some of the things put away, and just put up. But then you can come back tomorrow and I will show you the finished room, talk you through everything, and that will be that. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, coming along with me as we change the paint on the walls. Sometimes you just, you know something's not right, you want to change it. I would just encourage you to change it. I'm really very pleased with the way that this color turned out. That is the old color right up there. So yeah, it looks so beautiful to me, and a lot more mature, I feel, too, for her. So I think that it will really work out well. Anyway, thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.